Hello everyone. Now we are proceeding with our fourth lesson of, that is what a part, whether it's in part number 3 for the SQL learning. And in this session we will be take care of filtering and sorting query results, that in analysis and all those things you have to filter and sort the results. So we are dealing with the movies. If you are following my previous blogs, then we are dealing with the movies database, and we have also seen that many different movies are they are like released on can be released in the same year. In such cases, SQL provides some sort of very basic functions. Through those functions we can discard rows that can have a duplicate value, column value. This can be done by using distinct keyword. So here is the basic syntax for using distinct, for selecting the distinct values from the column with the where conditions. So it's an one level up, you may say, that we will be using some sort of where conditions also, and there are the various ways through which duplicate values or duplicate rows are can be removed from the data sets or the data, the required data sets. This can also be used by done by the group by clause, but in this session we will be taking care of distinct keyword only. So this is all about what is distinct keyword in SQL, and after that we will be using order by clause to order the results for the purpose of ordering the results. Because ordering is also necessary, we have to sort the data in descending or ascending nature. So the basic syntax for the order by clause is select another column from my table where conditions, order by column, ascending / descending. This is a basic syntax. Only ascending or descending is used at a time. Now after getting into the ordering the data set, we will also be limiting the results to a subset with the use of limit. With the use of limit will reduce the number of rows to return, and where we will be also using offset, which will specify where to begin counting the number of rows. So the basic syntax for this is select is used for basic things. Column, another column from my table where conditions, order by column, ascending or descending. Limit is the number of limit, like if we want to get only 5 rows, then top 5 rows, then we can use the number 5. And if we want to get the 6 to 10 rows, then we can use here 5, offset 5 and number limit 5. Then we will be getting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically here I have also given you some of the some websites like Reddit or Pinterest, the front page is a list of links sorted by popularity. It is basically by the number of views. It was sorted by the number of views and time, and each subsequent page can be represented by sets of links at different offsets in a database. Like, for if you are filtering the data from this date to this date, then different list will occur. So after that, the more curiosity about limit and offset are applied relative to the other parts of a query. They are generally done last after the other clauses have been applied. We will get in touch more after getting into the order of execution. On our 12th block, I have planned each and everything for you guys. So here comes our exercise. Exercise is for basically there are the few concepts in this lesson, but all are pretty straightforward to apply. To spice things up, we have gone and scrambled the movie table for you in the exercise to better mimic what kind of data you might see in real life. It is much more data is changed. We have to use some necessary keywords and clauses introduced in above the query. So the first task of ours is to list all directors of Pixar movies. So we have to list all directors of this is the Pixar movies dataset, and in an order of alphabets, but duplicates are not allowed. So as we have covered, this was our first thing which we have covered is filtering and sorting query result. We will be using distinct keyword into this query and get all the distinct directors from the table, and let's see how this is done. Distinct director from movies. So till here all the data set was fetched, and it contains all the distinct directors, but the second part is done, and first part is yet not completed, and it is not sorted in alphabetical manner. So now we will be sort out this thing into an alphabetical order. So we will be using order by director. Okay, so this is what this ascending is the you can see ascending is the sort of default order by sorting. If we use DESC, then what gives? This gives the descending order of arrangement, and while using ASC the result will be same, but the default is ASC. You have to keep this in mind that the default order by sorting is in ascending order. So this was completed. Now the second part is we have to list the 4 Pixar movies. We have to list the 4 Pixar movies released, ordered from most recent to least. Now let's see the database movies. This is the year of release, and we have to list last 4 Pixar movies. We have to release get last 4 movies from most recent to least. So okay, we will make it order by year, and here comes the most. This is not the most, we will be using here DSC. So these are the these are all the list of movies released with, but this is the order from most recent to least, and we will be using limit here 4. So these are the 4 movies which are released in order to the year. So write down the syntax for this query. This is the perfect syntax for this query. Now we have to list first 5 Pixar movies sorted alphabetically. Now select, as this is order by only, start from movies, order by title, title, and we have to get it the first 5. These are the values. As I already told you that ascending is the default sorting order of order by clause. So here also it is taking it in ascending order, as we are sorting it by title, then A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the order in which it will be sorted. And what limit 5 is doing? Limit 5 is limiting the actual result to the 5 values only, first 5 values only. List the next 5 Pixar movie sorted alphabetically. Then for this we will be using offset 5. So what was the crux of this, all these things? The crux is that we are limiting 5 and the values is starting from 5, then the 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th and 10th. After 5, the another 5 values will be retained by this query. So this is all about sorting and filtering. The query results in this lesson we have studied about and practiced about. Any sort of doubts you can get back to me through comments, and I will be preparing many more videos like this. If you're liking it, then please to watch the whole video and like it, so that I can get some motivation and make many more videos. Thank you.